guy's gonna come yell at us.
For what? Let's pull up here to this next spot. Wow.
It's like, who's doing here?
Oh yeah, pull up here a little bit more. Oh, a little more. Oh, I had it perfect back there too. Oh, I had it perfect.
These guys gotta figure out how to get to it.
Pull up a little bit more.
So that we don't have our.
All right, stop. Right there.
What is it? Just brush?
No, it's not with that kind of smoke.
What about this train, man? There's chemicals and shit.
Here comes some chemical cars. What if this just blew right up on us now? Yeah, Fillmore by Clinton here. There's chemical cars going by this fire. Here comes the last of them now. We're downwind of it, you know. There's the last chemical car now. You can feel the heat from it over here.
Is it a building?
No, it's just a fucking some bullshit. Who knows? Not brushed. That's like tires or something.
Wow, it's